Welcome to this SIAL Paris 2026 tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to create and manage your exhibitor badges. From the home page of your exhibitor area, click on the Badges, Licenses, Invitations, Voucher tab. You will then access the platform dedicated to managing your badges. Your badge allocation is calculated automatically. If your company participated in SIAL Paris 2024, the badges previously created will automatically appear in the platform. You will be able to review the existing information, update it if necessary, and validate it for the 2026 edition without having to recreate the badges. For new exhibitors, two options are available. The first option is to create your badges manually by clicking the Add button and entering the details of each participant. The second option allows you to save time by using the bulk import feature. Download the import template, complete the required information, and then upload your file directly to the platform. Each badge must be personalized and contain the accurate information of the participant concerned. Once your badges have been created and validated, you will be able to find them directly within your management area. Exhibitor badges will be available for download from September 17, 2026, subject to payment of the outstanding balance of your participation. Please note that once the PDF file has been downloaded, certain modifications may no longer be possible. We therefore recommend that you carefully review all information before proceeding with the download. We encourage you to complete this process as soon as possible to ensure a smooth preparation for your participation in SIAL Paris 2026. Thank you for watching this video.